my name is Amani and I love tongue twisters. But some of these twisters can be challenging, and that's why I want to help you practice so we can get better at saying them together. Here's how this tongue twister challenge works. First, you'll hear me say a tongue twister really slowly. Then, you'll hear a sound like this. That's the signal for you to repeat the tongue twister with me. At each sound, my voice will get softer and the speed will become faster. But we'll practice together until we both get better. Today's Toffee TV tongue twister challenge is near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Ready? Let's go! Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Let's try it again, a little faster. Ready? Let's go! Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. That's pretty good. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Here we go. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. You're doing so well. Ready? Get set, go! Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Excellent! Share this video with a friend and challenge them to this tongue twister challenge. Thanks for playing the Toffee TV tongue twister challenge. Come back soon.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com